I hope you guys like my video. It's been almost like 3 years that I posted anything on YouTube. I wanted to create videos every other week and I actually did it for a couple of months and then it's it. And then I was completely lost, due to certain circumstances I couldn't really do it. Finally, after 3 years, last week I pulled myself together, collected all the footages that I shot in Kerala back in 2016, started editing them and published this video. I don't know what kind of content I'll be creating. It could be a vlog, it could be a unboxing, it could be a travel video. All I know is, or all I'm aiming to do is to keep it consistent. Consistently create 2 videos per month. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. Over and out.